Hello everyone, my name is Rachit Aprul, co-founder of 24NFT and welcome back to 24NFT.Store YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to interact with 24NFT.Store. You require Matic and USDC balance to completely interact with the website. So if you haven't watched those videos, please go and watch those. Anyways, the first step for interaction is connecting your Metamask wallet. So as you can see, my Metamask wallet is already connected. So let me just disconnect it. There we go. So as you can see, now there is a connect wallet button. We can explore the website without connecting our wallet, that is see which NFTs are there in the marketplace. But if you want to interact, if you want to create new NFTs, what we need to do is log in or connect our wallet with the website. Once the wallet is connected, as you can see in the connected status, there is a different notification bar. So you know that your wallet is connected or not just by viewing it. For creation of NFT on the main page, there is this button which can create, or you can go to your profile page. Once you click on profile page, you will get 4 tabs. The first is the in wallet, in which will show you your balance of Matic, your balance of USDC, and the most recent NFTs that you bought. You can click on the NFT and view your NFT which you bought. Also, let's now create an NFT. When you click on create NFT, what you can do is choose a file. Now this file can be of any image extension, GIF, JPG, or anything. This is the artist signature like Leonardo da Vinci or whatever. Start price is the bidding start price, the price on which you want to start bidding from. Note that this is in Matic. The third thing is description. This is if you want to put your artwork into words and explain to people. Note that this has a limit of 300 words. Finally, when you are done with all the 3 columns, you can click on create. In the back end, what is happening is when you click on create, this file would be uploaded to IPFS, which is a decentralized storage system. On uploading file, we get a hash, which we then send to the contract to do a transaction with the same. And once we confirm that transaction, once that transaction is confirmed, that IPFS hash gets connected with the NFT that is minted. Note that IPFS hash is unique to an image. So basically you cannot have more IPFS hashes to the same image, and also you cannot create more NFTs with the same hash. Now as you can see on my front end, we can see the NFT has been minted, the staking has been started, and this is all. This is how you create your NFT, and it is now visible on your marketplace. Now the next step which comes after you create an NFT is staking. The NFT would be in a staking stage for 3 days as of now, as we have decided. So what will happen is different people are going to stake USDC over here. Now what does that means is they are vouching for you. They are saying, okay, this is a good art, so we are putting our money in it so that it gets recognition. The users who stake, they get returns from the sold price, that is 5% of it currently gets back to those users and is distributed proportional to the stake amount. Anyways, let's stake first and let's see how that works. So when you click on the stake button, a pop-up appears in which you can enter the USDC value that we want to stake. Before continuing, I want to talk a bit about DeFi consents. So there is an additional feature when you stake. What we are doing, we are not only returning some portion of the sold price, but we are also giving the option for the people to invest their money in a DeFi protocol. Currently, we have integrated Awave's pool of Curve Finance. You can see the risks over here, but to be honest, it is very stable because it consists of only stable coins. I am enabling this for now, and so let's try staking on this NFT with a 0.01 amount. When you submit your transaction, you will pop up with a Metamask confirmation. This can be 2-step if you haven't given approval to our contracts. I've already given infinite approval, and if you don't understand, just confirm the transaction whichever pop-ups. This is the gas station. If your transaction is taking a lot of time, you can change the gas in the same way. And we confirm the transaction as it matches the gas station. It would be soon confirmed, and we can see the effects in the front end for that. Okay, so the transaction is done. The application has confirmed that the transaction is done, and we can see the reflected values in the application. Note that we can unstake till the staking period ends. In bidding period, we cannot unstake. But let me show you the unstaking process. It's fairly easy. You just click on unstaking and there would be one Metamask transaction confirmation. Once you do that, and once the transaction is completed, your amount will be unstaked. Okay, so now the transaction is confirmed, and you can see that in our application my stake now is 0 along with the total stake. Let me show you the transaction. So as you can see over here, there is a lot happening in the DeFi protocol. So we'll skip to the last step, that is we obtaining back our 0.01 USDC. Let me stake again. Now let me just reload this one so all the values are updated. Okay, so let us put the stake as 0.01. Let me just go without DeFi and confirm this really quickly. So that's all, I think. So that covers the staking step, how to stake, how to unstake during the staking step, and let's move on to the bidding step. As you can see now, the staking is almost on the verge of finishing. Okay, it will reload automatically. There we go. Now the bidding period has started. Currently the time shown is 10 minutes or 8 or 9 minutes or whatever. But initial values that we have thought is 30 days for the NFT to exist in the marketplace. And if anyone bids on it for the first time, it is going to reduce it to something like 7 days. And then after, even if the user bids, that is not going to increase till we are on the last 3 hours. In the last 3 hours, if anyone bids on the NFT, its time period increases for another 3 hours, and so on till the last, and no one bids in the last 3 hours. So that is bidding in a nutshell. And now let me show you how to bid. So all you need to do is click on the bid button and enter the value that you want to bid. This is the maximum balance and it's auto-filled. Let me go with 0.01. So as you can see, it is not being entered. This is because the user, the NFT creator, has entered 0.01 as the starting price. So I would have to set it a bit higher. On the mainnet, note that if you want to raise bid, it should be at least 1 matic more than the current bid. Okay, let me check the gas fees. Yeah, it's good. So this transaction will be done in a second. Okay, there we go. Okay, as you can see, the new values are being reflected on the application, and note that there is no withdraw from the bidding period as there was in the staking. You can only take out your money once the whole bidding stage is completed. And also, as you can observe, the bidding time has been reduced. On the mainnet, it would be something like 30 days to 7 days. Over here, it was 10 minutes to 2 minutes. Okay, I think so we are good to go to the post-auction processes. Okay, so now the bidding is almost completed. There we go with the sold NFT page. Over here, you can see the NFT has been sold to an address. This claim NFT button would only be shown to the address to which it was sold, this address. And similarly, the get sold price button would only be shown to the NFT creator. And as I was the NFT creator, that's why it's being shown to me. And then we have unstake button. This withdraw button is only accessible to those people who were not able to win this auction. That is, if this is 0.02, someone might have bet 0.01, so he might have lost, right? So he needs to withdraw his 0.01 matic. Anyways, let me unstake really quickly and also claim the NFT and get sold price. And to not make this video any longer, let me just fast forward all the steps. We have claimed, we have got the sold price, and we have unstaked the value. Also, you can check in for all the transactions on Polygon Scan to double check that you're getting the values back. Note that the sold price division in this way, 90% goes to the person to whom the NFT is sold, and the rest 10% is divided between the platform and the patrons. That is 5% goes to the patrons according to their fair share. There is one last thing that I wanted to show you all. That is, you can view your NFT in wallet, whichever NFT that you've bought recently. And that's all for this video. This was pretty long tutorial because it covers 3 different topics, that is staking, bidding, and after bidding processes. Thank you so much for watching, and go to 24NFT.Store to interact.